Hi darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be showing you this oil that I use for my daughter's hair. So we have coconut oil, black castor oil, sweet almond oil, we have argan oil, we have tea tree oil, olive oil, and the spices we're using is cloves and rosemary. So we're making cloves and rosemary oil. Okay, I use this too for her hair, and your guys, like under 1 year her hair has really grown, which you see her length at the end of the video. So please do well to check it out. So I'm going to be measuring it, which I'm using a teaspoon. Okay, I'm using teaspoons for each, not tablespoon, teaspoon. So the cover of this product serves as my teaspoon, so I'm using teaspoon for each of these. Okay, like the olive oil, my tea tree oil, my sweet almond oil, and all the oils I use. Then I'm just going to be pouring a few drops of coconut oil, okay, and also pour my olive oil. So I'm just using my eye to measure the olive oil. These oils are amazing for your hair growth. It helps to stop hair loss, it treats alopecia, it treats thinning of edges. Like my daughter had thin edges when she was a baby, but her edges now has really grown. So I'm just dropping few drops of Jamaica black castor oil, okay, inside. Like I think I dropped like 20 drops inside the oil. So 20 drops should like measure to a teaspoon of oil as well. So this is the oil. Then for the cloves, you blend your clove and blend your rosemary. I've already blended that. Like I had a batch before. Okay, this is the batch I had before, so I just want to add more oil to it. I'm not going to add more cloves and rosemary. So you blend your cloves and you blend your rosemary, you pour it in a jar or a bottle, anything you store your oils inside. Then add these oils inside and leave it. Just leave it. Don't put it on hot water, don't put it on anything, just leave it. It will cold press itself. Like you can leave it there, it will ferment, and or you apply it on your child or on your own hair, okay, and it will definitely grow out your hair. If you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please watch the video to the end. I'll be showing you guys how I make her hair, how I moisturize her hair with other DIY that I have been using in the channel. So this is my daughter's hair. Okay, my daughter is 2 years old, and this is her hair. Her hair is not normal 4C hair, so it's not 4B hair. She's a mixed child, so she has a mixture of hair. So this here I'm using a leave-in spray, which is a spices, and I'll drop in that ingredient of that spice in the channel very soon after this particular video. So I use this to hydrate her hair. When I gave birth to my daughter, okay, at the back of her hair she had like spot there. All these ingredients I've been using have been growing out her hair. So I'm using this Cantu for Kids leave-in condition that has coconut oil, honey, and shea butter inside. So I'll just take this a little bit amount and I'll rub it all over her hair. Sorry, I'm not showing you guys how I rub it because I'm using one hand to film and one hand to show you guys the after result. So this is her hair. One thing about her hair is that when you just put water or anything liquid, it all becomes shrink and slippery. So this is the oil. Okay, this is how the oil looks like. I'm going to use this oil, apply it all over her hair. Like I pour it on the scalp of her scalp, then I'll massage it. I'll also pour it in the front of her hair, like this part of her edges. Before she didn't have hair like that, she had a little bit of bald spot there, but this has really made the hair to grow. So if you want to try it, please give it a try. Let me know if you're going to try it in the comment section. Okay, so I'm just pouring this all over her hair and I'll massage it, and I will style her hair. Like I braided her hair on this particular day, I braided it. So this is how I take care of her hair each time I want to braid her hair. Then I'm also going to be using this butter as well. This butter is already in the channel. This butter is really soft. Like, can you see how soft that is? It smells right inside your hand. Like it smells right inside your hand. So this is the final sealing. I'm going to use this to seal all her hair, and this is what her hair looks like. It's coily. Like, can you see that coil? This is what mixed child hair always look like, but I'm going to braid it. If you watch this extent, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, guys. Like, her hair is doing so healthy, so well. Like, I'm literally loving everything I'm using on her hair. Like, seriously, guys, that her front hair, she didn't have hair there before. So this is her hair before, okay, and this is her hair now. You can see the growth, right?